This isn't North Country.
This is not North Country.
This isn't North Country.
We are North Country.
We are North Country.
We are North Country.
I'm North Country, you're North Country, and we're all North Country. North Country isn't just a collection of campuses. We're not just buildings. We're a community. We're a family. We're a group of students at the center with faculty and staff to support you and your aspirations. Today's commencement, graduation. So we're going to celebrate with you. We're going to do it virtually, but know that in our hearts that wherever you are, we're with you. So on behalf of all of us, congratulations. And now let me turn it over to a few of our faculty and staff members who also want to extend their best wishes to you.
Graduating from college is a triumph whenever you do it.
But this year, in the middle of a pandemic,
It's monumental.
So for every one of you who earned this while worrying about your job,
Or taking care of a loved one.
Or fighting for internet bandwidth or a space at the kitchen table.
Or helping your child get their schoolwork done.
Or just getting up every day.
And making it through.
We see what you did, and our hats are off to you.
We know it's unfair that you didn't get to end the year the way that you deserved.
With your friends and family at the Sparks gym.
With us there with you in our regalia, sweating.
Well, maybe it isn't all bad.
We would have preferred something far more traditional.
But why be normal?
we find that in life, more than not, things don't go as planned.
Of course, they usually don't go this far off the rails.
So the way you've handled the past 2 months leaves us confident there's not much you can't handle.
You're going to take North Country with you wherever you go.
And that makes us proud.
But this year, more than most, you should know.
The resilience you showed is going to stay here with us for a very long time.
That doesn't mean we're not going to offer a few words of wisdom.
Because a commencement without advice wouldn't be commencement at all.
So listen up.
Wherever you go, whatever you do,
take these hard-won lessons to heart.
85% of life is just showing up.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
Always tell yourself, actually, you can do this.
Pay attention when things go well. Pay extra attention when they don't. And know thyself.
Every experience, even failures, are an opportunity to learn.
No matter what the struggle is, there's a way through it.
Keep reaching for the stars and pushing yourself to the next level.
Life's a series of challenges. If you continue to rise to the occasion and work hard through difficult times, we believe you're going to continue to find success in your life.
Wherever you intend to go may not be where you intend to end up, but remember, the journey is the destination.
I want you to remember, always trust the process.
That was great advice. Let me give you one more piece. Don't borrow trouble. And there's a host of ways we can avoid borrowing trouble, but one of them is to try not to think so much about the future. Tomorrow is a promissory note. It's not here yet. Yesterday is a canceled check. We can't get it back. Today's what matters. Today is the day that we get to live. Today is the day that we get to love. Today is the day that we get to share our lives with people, to dream, and especially to celebrate. And that's what we're here to do today, is to celebrate you and your accomplishment. And thank you. Thank you for making North Country the college of your choice. And please know that we're with you to celebrate this accomplishment. We wish you could be here, of course, but you're with us, and we're with you. Be good.
Keep calm and graduate on.